Intensity. Intensity, for example, is the distance in which sound travel. Why sound is a collision of air molecules. How sound disperses. Why do we hear octaves? Why does an A chord consist of 440 hertz? And why when you double it we hear an octave? What aspect of human biology and our internal membrane allows us to perceive sound logarithmically in subset increments? So cross-disciplinary, it's an analysis of one discipline. And you have the fundamental color of the ocean itself. So the ocean has this fundamental color called the primary or the child. Why does he act like a child? It's a fascinating form of rhetoric because Mannix recede back to this sort of correlation between adolescence and impulsivity, which you find studies have shown you find far more. 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound.